Pogo sticks are a classic outdoor toy that blends balance, coordination, and seasonal entertainment. In a market dominated by two brands, Willing Fun and Flybar, there are entry-level models designed for beginners and higher-weight, longer-lasting sticks suited for more confident jumpers. To craft a rigorous comparison,
List number 1. Pogo Stick for kids age 5, 6, 7. This Willing Fun entry-level pogo stick targets younger children with a recommended weight range up to 80 pounds and no assembly required. The design emphasizes safety with anti-slip pegs and matching grip tape to maximize traction, while keeping the product approachable for first-time jumpers. At $39.98, it sits squarely in the budget end of the spectrum and is positioned as a simple, ready-to-bounce option for beginners. Performance and user experience. The stick is lightweight, 4.39 pounds, and compact, 36 by 2.3 by 9 inches, making it easy for small hands to grip and adolescents to maneuver. The absence of assembly reduces setup friction, which is a meaningful factor for younger users and parents alike. While the foam grips are not specifically mentioned, the emphasis on anti-slip pegs and robust construction supports stable landings for newbies. As an entry model, it prioritizes safety and reliability over high-end features or larger weight tolerance.
List number 2. Flybar Maverick Foam Pogo Stick for kids age 5. The Maverick from Flybar is an entry-level model with a foam-covered metal frame and an enclosed spring, designed to balance safety with performance. It mirrors the beginner-friendly weight range and includes non-slip foot pads and a wide bounce tip for stability. Priced at $38.99, it's one of the most affordable options in the Flybar line and leverages Flybar's long-standing reputation since 1918 for quality control. Performance and user experience. The foam-covered frame adds a tactile layer of protection and a visually appealing design. The enclosed spring reduces direct exposure to metal, which is beneficial for kids still developing motor skills. With a reported rating of 4.5 out of 5 from thousands of reviews, users generally praise the Maverick for balance, ease of use, and durability. The absence of assembly and Flybar's legacy backing can reassure parents, though some older kids may outgrow this design quickly as they seek higher jumps or heavier loads.
List number 3. Flybar Jolt Pogo Stick for kids ages 6. The Jolt model sits as Flybar's value-oriented beginner option, designed for kids from age 6 up to 12 with a weight limit of 80 pounds. It emphasizes foam-covered grips and a robust frame, with the focus on stability and ease of use for younger jumpers. Priced at $38.24, it's currently the most affordable Flybar option in the lineup, while retaining the hallmark foam handling and safety features. Performance and user experience. The Jolt's foam-covered construction and wide bounce tip with non-slip foot pads translate to reliable footing and balanced takeoffs and landings for those just learning to pogo. At 37.1 by 10 by 2.4 inches and 5.3 pounds, the stick is proportioned for smaller riders, delivering a forgiving bounce that reduces fatigue during practice. The product's latest release date, 2023, suggests updated materials and safety standards, though some users may desire a higher weight threshold for extended use as their child grows.
List number 4. Pogo Stick for kids age 6-7. The ProMaster from Willing Fun is positioned as a heavier-duty option, with a weight capacity up to 160 pounds and a broader age range. Priced at $69.98, this model targets older kids and even some teens seeking a longer-lasting pogo experience or joint activities with parents. It highlights anti-slip pegs with grip tape for traction and promises no assembly required for immediate use. Performance and user experience. With dimensions of 11 by 2 by 39 inches and a weight of 5.92 pounds, this pogo stick feels sturdier and more substantial than the lighter entry models. The 160-pound limit expands the potential user base and supports more aggressive bounce patterns, which can be beneficial for more active kids or those practicing balancing drills. The willingness to support both younger and older jumpers in the same family can be compelling, but it also raises expectations for durability and long-term performance, especially if used on varied outdoor surfaces.
List number 5. Flybar Pogo Stick for kids. This Flybar Jolt Leopard variant mirrors the standard Jolt, but with a distinct leopard colorway
maintaining the same 40 to 80 pounds weight range and beginner-friendly design. It carries the same foam-covered grips and safety features, making it a visually distinctive option for kids who want a fun, stylistic choice without sacrificing safety or performance. Performance and user experience. As a color variant of the Jolt, it shares the same forgiving bounce profile, easy setup, and durable foam-covered construction. The leopard finish can influence perceived value and appeal, especially for kids who respond strongly to aesthetics. Given its release date and user reviews, 4.6 out of 5, it presents solid value for families prioritizing safety and ease of use, while still offering a dependable pogo experience for beginners.